Welcome back to my studio. I can't believe I'm going to be showing you today day 86 of my 100 days of 10-minute art practice to reconnect. And it's been a wonderful, amazing journey to do so. And I still, I say it over and over again, can't believe how much connection that can occur during 10 minutes. So these last few days I know are very heartfelt because I know I'm coming to the end of this particular journey, not the end of my art practice, of course, and it will be more than 10 minutes. But I've learned that on days that I just can't or don't feel like I can get back into my studio or connect to my art, 10 minutes is all I need. So if you've been creating along with me, great. I so appreciate it. If you've been following this series, keep going. We're almost at the end. And let's see what happens today. This week, I will be showing a little bit more than a week just to catch us up. I think we started at day 78 all the way up to 86. So then next week, I'm planning on maybe just having one more video or so for the end of this journey. So let's get creating. So here I am at day 86, as you can see, and I really, again, hope you have been enjoying this series, and my whole intention was to show you through my journey how simple a 10-minute art session can be without any outcomes, without even thinking about what you want to do. Maybe one intention, choosing some color, some leftover collage. And I've been using my leftovers all along and just only adding maybe a more interesting piece that I find in my studio, etc. And mostly I've been starting with the Caron Dash or the other water-soluble pastels, oil pastels. And why I've been doing that is to just get into the line making and just get into a more of a drop-down state out of my head into my, I call it my heart space, into the feeling. And that's what I've been searching for. You, on the other hand, might be looking for other reasons, but the main one being, no matter what, is connection. Feeling disconnected from your art, from yourself, from your studio, from your materials, from the things that you love. And this has helped me immensely, showing up every day. And I now know that it is really important not to not show up. So that being said, I've been really enjoying the warm tones of this particular color palette that I've been using the last few days. Remembering what I love. Nickel Azo Gold, my last little container of it. It's so powerful that I only use it in very small amounts. My ochres, neutrals, the simplicity of a very, 3-4 colors, and learning what they can do. Lots of black and white. Knowing what kind of marks I want to use, where I want to take my art, and how it is becoming. So I will let you enjoy this day 86 of the several days, which are in the title. I forget the number right at this moment. But it starts, oh yes, it started at 78 up to 86. And enjoy. And don't forget that I still have the 5-day free intuitive art journaling course, still available in the link on my homepage of my YouTube channel and in the comments below. I am planning, as I am shifting from my teaching career to now just art teaching career, courses, and I can just focus on my art. This has been a very long journey for me as my teaching career comes to an end, and now this is just the beginning. So stay tuned. Be sure to follow me. Get on my newsletter list to be in the loop, and you'll know what's coming up. More Zoom meetings, joining my 5-day free course. It comes with a Facebook group that that everyone supports each other. And all I can say is there's way more to come. Stay with me, subscribe, share, and enjoy. Yeah. Want it in the middle. Oh, that's so much better. Oh, it's so much better now. I want to put it there or there. Hmm. Not yet, not yet. Yep. Give a shit. It's sort of interesting. How long have I been? Oh, probably been 12 minutes. Another minute or so. Gotta do some. There. It's really cool. So this is the last bit of yellow oxide that I'll use on this page. So I'm making some quiet spaces. You can use anything for this. Just a minimal of marks, black, white, and it just allows space. It's also very effective when you're practicing listening to stillness. So my timer's going off. So that was about 10 minutes. And I'm still amazed as to how much can be done, how much connection can be done in 10 minutes. And sometimes I'll just go a little bit farther if it needs some finishing touches like I'm doing now. And that's it. I've done this for 86 days now or more. And the journey has been amazing. So I'm just cleaning up the spatters, finishing up, taking a last look, and I've been learning that I'm wanting some free brushstrokes or smudges or anything that's organic, which is the opposite of the rectilinear shapes or composition, and it's such a wonderful difference. And yes, that's what I'm talking to you as the viewer am saying. So I hope that if you've been following along with your own journey, that you can also discover small short times are big wins. And in the next little bit, I'll be showing you up to pages or days 86 and more. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And I still have the 5-day free course for you to give a try in the comments below. So I'll see you in the next one.